The owners and operators of bars across the island have begun preparations for the planned two-week reopening trial. Many are not happy with the new guidelines, but they say they will work with them.
There's a popular saying which states that out of adversity comes opportunity. In this case, it's the zip and sip mask, a new accessory which will no doubt be a big hit among bar goers.
A lot of places will be open, restaurants, bars, so on and so forth. And persons will still want to enjoy, their stuff while they are, have to wear their mask still. So the innovation of the zip mask will come in play where, you have to sanitize your hand in use of the mask. So when you're ready to have your drink, you have the mask still on your face to protect you, and you're able to have your drink as you go along.
Wearing masks is among the restrictions outlined by the Prime Minister Andrew Holness when he announced the two-week trial run for the reopening of community bars. We spoke to operators in St. Catharines, St. Elizabeth and out west, who all welcomed the opportunity to be back in business. They say it has been a difficult 2 months after they were forced to close in light of the coronavirus threat. Lorraton Lawrence is a new bar owner who only months after he opened his business had to close.
I've invested most of what I have built in this business over the last couple of months, maybe to a year. And just as I'm about to start making some money, then here comes COVID.
The new measures under which bars must operate may be tight, but the operators with whom we spoke say they will comply.
I don't think I will have any problem with that, because I don't have any child drink in my bar, because most of the people are big people. And if I can talk to them, I know they will cooperate. And I will work with it system.
So already chairs are being removed so patrons can stand, and with the number of persons permitted inside to be no more than 5, including the bartender, there are now questions as to how long should a patron stay.
We can afford to make, because of a customer, it jeopardizes our livelihood. So 4 persons in a space, I think if you get a half an hour in a bar, but I think without the seating, you're not going to find a person standing in a bar for half an hour. You understand? You will find a person standing and interacting for probably about 10-15 minutes and move on so somebody else can also take that space.
What will happen after the 2-week probationary period expires is totally dependent on the level of compliance. The operators say they will not leave anything to chance.
I buy 30 face masks, so I just going to stand at the door, then I'm going to leave them on the counter, I think. When them come in, I just tell them, take up a face mask and put on right away.
So I stand up at the door here and sanitize the customer them hands before they come in.
One bar owner says she intends to go further with a new dress code for her bartenders.
They will have to dress modestly, no spaghetti, no short shorts. So we're going to be having a meeting with the staff to encourage them to ensure that they keep their customers safe as well as keeping themselves safe.
It's estimated that there are more than 10,000 community bars. Prime Minister Andrew Holness in Parliament on Tuesday night admitted that it would be challenging to monitor them all. He's, however, hoping that the bar operators will comply with the regulations. The bars are to reopen on May 19.